Hi guys, it's Valerie here. I hope you guys are all doing great. I'm just upstairs taking a shot of my hubby and my son working to give me space to expand my garden. So when I came here first, I had a strip of garden over here, and then I decided to put another one across the way to give me this walkway that leads from the deck all the way out to our mailbox down there. And each year I got an expansion, another piece of strip. But this time I'm actually getting like half, well, not half, a whole other strip, just like the one I have before, because my hubby's thinking of doing the driveway and he's gonna make the driveway 20 feet across. So I decided, okay, if you're gonna get the driveway, let's make the rest of it into garden. And he's working hard to clear that spot along with my sons, and I appreciate it a lot. So I'm downstairs now on the same level with them, and this is what it looks like from downstairs. So we're expanding here, and we'll go across the way here. There's gonna be a pretty wide walkway here between the garden bed at the front of the house and the other garden bed that actually goes around where I have my seating circle. And then from over here we'll expand and come all the way out here, and I'm loving it because I'll have more space to plant my flowers. And so when I'm not in the studio, as you guys know, I do design and decor lessons in the studio, which is just across the way over there. I'll be in the garden, growing in the garden with you all. So there you go, guys. Garden expansion. Thank you so much for watching the videos and for subscribing, liking, sharing, and commenting. Really, guys, if you know somebody who could use any of the videos that I post with all the calculations or all the how-to and DIYs, I'd really appreciate if you go ahead and share it. You take care now, and I'll see you in the next video.